So yeah, we're gonna go in there now and get the tyres. I thought I'd show you the day of collecting the tyres and getting them fitted. The wheels and tyres will all be going on later on in this video. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of the wheels and if they're gonna give me grip, these tyres, because traction is an issue right now. So let's go. So yeah, this is the tyre shop. It's actually called The Tyre Shop, it's mad. Yeah, they're based in Chingford. Really good price on their tyres. If you're local to North London, I suggest you give them a bell and try and get prices. Let's head inside and get the tyres. Yeah, it's a decent shop, man. I like it here. This is nice. Sets of wheels ready to take. Little offers on that as well, look, special offers. So if you've got the time and you're looking for alloys or tyres, make sure you come down here and give them a try. Customer service is amazing as well. There's many of them over there, lots of them over here. So yeah, head down to the tyre shop, Chingford, and they'll be able to sort you out. Yeah, they've pulled the tyres out. These are the front two. I've already got the two rares. We're going to take them to the other garage and get them fitted. But yeah, I've got the 225 4018s in the Pilot Sport 5s. I'm hoping they're really grippy. Not so much the fronts, it's more the rears, you know what I mean? Because M140i is obviously rear wheel drive in the UK. So yeah, let's head to the garage and get these tyres fitted. Let's go. So we're here at Auto Speed. I'm gonna get the wheels and tyres put on. I've been here many times. I've done a load of videos. I don't know if you lot have seen them. Yeah, I use these guys quite a lot. It's not going to feel like a massive change really, because my wheels are already on it, are the standard black ones, and the wheels I've got are gloss black. So yeah, let's get unloading them out of the car. Opening the boxes and that. I've been waiting ages to get these boxes open. Revealing the wheels, Team Dynamic Motorsports, lightweight, 18-inch by 9J. They're wrapped up really well. Yeah, gloss black, Pro Race LTs, flow formed. Can't wait to get these on. So we've got the 225 4018s for the fronts, Michelin Pilot Sport 5, A rating in the wet. And then for the back, we've gone with a bit wider than OEM, 265 3518, A rating in the wet. We had to go with 265 to try and get traction. So yeah, it's mad. These are the wheels. I think these are nice, man. They look different. There is some Team Dynamic Pro races, but they've been out for years. These have been out for, I think, for maybe a year or so. So these are a bit more exclusive to them ones. They might be a bit lighter too, I'm not 100% sure, but These sidewalls look so much softer. These best give me grip. It's nearly 2 grand's worth of tyres and wheels, because I need grip.
30.
Nah, do 27. When I drive, it goes up by a few PSI. I don't want to be driving it and it goes up to 35 and then I'm defeating the object then. Is that 27, yeah?
So, these are 9s, yeah?
9s.
And 18s. Spinneroonie!
That white stuff makes it look buckled when it's spinning though. She can't be buckled, she's fresh to death. Put new weights on, balance it up. Where are your shoes from? Michelin? I heard that, I heard that. He changed direction in the garage and he was like, bare grip. Man, Michelin PS5 trainers. $9.99, $99.99. Huh? You need steel toe caps, bro.
Fuck stones. Just move your toes.
Just move your toes out of the way. Quick.
Still move your toes.
Moving his feet like rapid throttle response. Need to get some new discs next. Them discs are looking a bit just old, isn't it? New wheels and old brakes just makes me feel sick. Ordering new discs tonight. Yeah.
About 120 millimetres. If not, FT.
Fucking tight. And there it is. We dropped the car. The rears look alright. I'm a bit worried. We're going to go for the first drive in a minute. Hopefully it don't rub. Really hoping so, but they look way more aggressive. They're even sticking out from this side, like compared to the 255s. On the 8Js, these 9s just make it look a bit more aggressive. Need to clean them. I'm going to clean them up, but yeah. That's the Team Dynamic wheels fitted with the Michelin Pilot Sport 5s. Just going to give them a little clean up now. Yeah. I'll keep you posted and let you know how much grip I've got. Yeah, I was going to say, if you do like these wheels, I got them from Iconic Alloys. So give them a shout. The wheels are spot on, no damage, delivered within a day or two. Packaged really well, as you see in the boxes at the start. Yeah. Yeah, that's sticking out lots. But yeah, next we've got a couple more things we're installing on this car. Got a steering wheel going on next. Nice new steering wheel, Alcantara leather. Yeah, I'll do a little how-to. I have to put that on next week. So yeah, look on the Instagram if you want photos from what it looks like, completely clean and that with the rims. Get over to the Instagram. I'll put it up on the screen now if you ain't following already. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.